Hi guys, welcome back once again for another video. So today in this video I'm going to discuss a few things which I really loved with my Ninja 300. So the Ninja 300 has been with me for almost 9 years and I have done around 78,000 kilometers with the motorcycle, and for me the 300 is one good reliable motorcycle which has been with me for almost a decade now. So over the course of time I have made a lot of rides and other things with my Ninja 300. So today here I will discuss a few things because of which I really love my Ninja 300. So speaking of the things which I like with my Ninja 300, the first thing which I have to mention is the reliability of this motorcycle. I think not much has to be explained about the reliability of the Ninja 300. The Ninja 300 is one good reliable motorcycle, and this is a living example of that. So this is a 2014 Kawasaki Ninja 300, and this motorcycle has done almost 78,000 kilometers with me so far in my 9 years of ownership. And I have to say, the motorcycle, even now, the motorcycle feels as good as it felt on the first day when I took delivery of the motorcycle. And moreover, if you look at the motorcycle never breaks down, and just you have to do the regular service and the maintenance, and it will run like a tank. That's what I have to say about the reliability of the motorcycle. The reliability of this motorcycle really impressed me. The next thing which I have to say is the performance of the Ninja 300. Today there are a lot of performance motorcycles on the market, but the Ninja 300 is unparalleled. Even today, after 10 years, there is no motorcycle good enough to beat the Ninja 300 in its segment. The 300cc twin-cylinder engine generates 39 horsepower of power and 27 Newton meters of torque. Pretty good even today. And imagine 10 years ago what this might have meant. And combine that with a top speed of 180 plus kilometer per hour, the Ninja 300, one good performance motorcycle. The next thing which really made me fall in love with the Ninja 300 is the engine refinement. So speaking of the engine refinement, I could explain this way. Just you start the motorcycle, there won't be any vibrations. Most of the motorcycles will be pretty smooth and while idling. And then even if you ride the motorcycle at its maximum speed, the same refinement, the smoothness and everything will be there. That is how good the Ninja 300. And even after 9 years of ownership, the 300 is the same. There is no vibration or any sort of rattling from the fairings or anything with the Ninja 300. One more thing which really made me fall in love with the Ninja 300 is the practicality of this motorcycle. That is, this is a perfect beginner level sports bike. You can use this motorcycle on a track. You can use this motorcycle to race. It has the power and performance to do those things. But again, you can also use it as your daily commute for your office. You can pack your bags and take it on any long ride or tour. So whatever you throw at the Ninja 300, the Ninja 300 will give you what you need. So what I have to say is, this motorcycle is a very practical motorcycle. For example, if you look at a super sport motorcycle, you cannot just simply tour on a super sport motorcycle. And also there are adventure motorcycles and motorcycle especially meant for touring, which you cannot use on the racetrack. But with the Ninja 300, you can use it on all these above places. You can use it on a racetrack, you can use it as your daily commute, you can tour on this motorcycle. So the practicality of the Ninja 300, that is the universal usability, is one thing which I really love with the Ninja 300. And then finally, I could not finish without telling this. It is the looks of the Ninja 300. It is 10 years since the motorcycle has been launched in the market, and if you say looks, the Ninja 300 is synonymous with good looks. Even after 10 years, there are people who just wanted to look at my motorcycle in traffics or on roads or on highways. Even today, the Ninja 300 turns a lot of heads towards it. So that is how much good looking the Ninja 300 is. So these are some of the things which I really loved with this Ninja 300. And in my next video, I will tell you 5 things which I really did not like with my Ninja 300. So stay tuned, guys. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. See you all once again in another video.